What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Has USB-C taken a left turn? Well, they have if you bought this. It's a SUNGUY USB-C cable, and I picked this up because I actually want to use it with my MacBook, but there's actually a ton of reasons why you might want to pick up this particular cable. And as you can see here, what you have is a USB-C plug with a 90-degree bend, an angle bend in it. So you've got that right up here, and it's kind of nice, all plastic hardware here. You've got a really long neck on this, and then the cable itself is actually much nicer than I thought. It's like a nylon braided sleeve around it, and then a type A plug on this end. And so whether or not you want to sneak like this type of plug into something that takes USB-C, whether it's headphones, the one I'm thinking of, and the other thing that I was really wanting to use this with is a mount that I've got in my car above my radio for charging my phone, and this will plug into it, and then the cable will hang down the side. So I really like these angled cables. But like I said, I might be able to use this on my MacBook, especially when it's on its stand like this. I can have a plug that'll go in there and not stick straight up and kind of be in a more vulnerable position. You could have a lot of uses for these things. I would definitely check it out. Like I said, SUNGUY is a fun guy that makes great USB-C cables. Check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda out.